For the icebreaker called musical chair, these are the requirements you need. This icebreaker will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to execute. Recommended amount of participants are 10 to 15. You need a number of chairs that is one less than the number of participants. Additionally, you need a speaker, as well as a big area in which to do it. Let's get going. Put all of the chairs in a circle in the middle of the room with the backs facing each other. Then start playing the music in the background. Participants will now move around the circle of chairs in rhythm with the music. Feel free to encourage them to dance their heart out in order to break the tension. When the music stops, all participants should as quickly as they can try to find an empty chair in which to sit. As the number of chairs is one less than needed, someone will not be able to find a seat. This person is eliminated and will then move off to the side. After each round of elimination, one chair is removed from the circle to always keep the number of chairs one less than the number of participants. Tighten the circle and start the next round. This game then continues up until everyone but 2 participants have been eliminated. In the last round, they are running around only one chair, creating a very intense and fun moment. Encourage the other participants to cheer them on as they go, and a winner is crowned.